In under 2 minutes, a home scientist demonstrates a gravity-defying water trick using just a plastic bottle, a straw, and a small amount of air pressure. The setup shows a narrow tube sealed with a balloon, then a quick release creates a sudden airflow that makes a droplet cling and glide along a string, dazzling the camera. The science is explained in plain terms as air pressure and surface tension cooperate to suspend the liquid momentarily before it settles. The surprising finale reveals the drop snapping back into shape with a small pop and a bright color cue from a die. A quick recap reminds viewers that safe, hands-on curiosity fuels lasting science interest.